welcome to Long Life Healthy Way, everyone. And it's a very hot day today, isn't it?
Very hot.
Yeah, it's 38 degrees actually.
In Tokyo,
yeah.
It's very hot.
Yeah, so Yoshiko is going to make a refreshing meal.
That's right.
Or two meals.
Yeah.
She's going to start off with a bean salad.
Mixed bean salad.
And then it's quite a simple one. And then she's going to make a Japanese meal that's a specialty in summertime.
That's right, yeah. It's called somen noodle. Somen is a very thin noodle, and it's so easy to digest.
Oh, I see.
And it's some kind of, comfort food.
Oh, I see.
Especially for this sort of weather. You don't feel like eating heavy stuff.
Yes.
So it's really nice.
And this somen salad, it's or somen noodle, it's they play a game with it, don't they? Out in the,
yeah, that's right.
You know,
yeah,
kids
using
and
bamboo thing, cut in half. Bamboo.
Yeah, so it's very long, and we'll show you how to play the game later. But it's a very popular and fun thing to do in summer.
That's right.
Okay, let's get into it.
Yes, let's start. Okay, first I'm going to make an easy bean salad. And I've already prepared the ingredients, and it's simply putting everything together, adding olive oil and lemon juice and nice herb. I'm using today is a little bit mint, a little bit rosemary as well.
Okay.
So, and then when I finish, I put in the fridge, keep it cool. So by the time we finish somen noodle, and we can eat together.
Oh, wonderful.
Okay, so anyway, put all the beans together.
It's a mixed bean.
Yeah.
I see.
And edamame.
Yes.
And look at the nice green.
Oh, lovely. Yes.
Nice. And mini tomatoes.
Yes.
And our favorite onion, purple onion. It's always nice.
Well, actually, we were just watching a program before, and they calculated what are the 20 favourite vegetables.
Japanese people like.
Yeah, and mini tomato came up high, and so did purple onion.
Number one was cabbage, wasn't it?
Cabbage, yes, my word.
Yeah, cabbage is very versatile.
And broccoli too, that was
broccoli
about 5.
was on the rank too.
So on television there's a lot of food programs. They're preoccupied with food here.
Yes, lots of gourmet sort of food. They're always doing it. This is nice meat from my little garden.
Yes.
On the porch. Rosemary. So got lots of mint.
Yeah, that's
beautiful.
great.
Still sort of baby, but it's okay. Very refreshing. When I was in Australia, I used to make tabbouleh salad.
Oh, yes.
Use mint. So I got hint from that.
I remember your tabbouleh salads too. They were very nice.
So in Japan, it's hard to get what's that? The grain? Not,
bulgur wheat.
Bulgur wheat.
That's right.
I can't get it here, so I use mugi instead.
Ah, yes.
Yeah.
And you could use brown rice.
Yeah, that's right. Any grain. That should be enough now.
A few people out there, if you've got any clues for tabbouleh salad, not using bulgur wheat, let us know in the comments.
Okay, now I squeeze lemon. About half of the lemon, or a little bit more probably. You can tell us what's your favorite vegetable.
Yes.
Tell us.
It was very interesting, that program.
Yeah, it was good.
Well, this is nice for summer, isn't it?
Yeah. So the somen is like carb food, so it's good to add beans so we can get protein, fiber
Yes.
from beans.
Plenty of protein and fibre and what else?
That's right. So that's it. It's
Yeah.
easy, simple. Then I put in a fridge.
Okay.
This is somen, 100 gram of somen.
I see.
Somen noodle.
Okay.
It's very thin, fine one. But so I put 1 liter of water, and I'm going to boil it now. It's just about 2 minutes, 1.5 to 2 minutes.
Okay, just slightly boiled.
Yeah, because it's such a thin noodle,
Yes.
so it won't take long. It's so light.
I think you're going to enjoy this,
Yes, I will.
especially on this hot day.
Indeed.
Yes.
When it's really coming up like that, it's just turn it down, the heat. So I think it's getting there. Looks like it's ready now.
Okay.
So I strain.
Wow.
Very hot. So it's a bit sticky, so make sure you wash it thoroughly.
Okay.
Rinse it well. Okay. ちょっとヘビーかな。Drain well. Then I can leave it here, so I can prepare for the summer somen.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, that looks good.
Yes. This is actually one person's serving, about 100 gram. Yes, with watermelon first. Watermelon is supposed to be really good, isn't it?
Yes, it's got very good for circulation.
Circulation. Season in Japan, but now we're getting
Sorry.
Australian.
Oh, good.
Cute, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right.
Australian mandarin. Very juicy.
My word.
Lovely. Let's put orange here. And watermelon. Juicy, so I have to keep wiping the cutting board. That's nice. Okay, so I prepared now.
Well, that's very refreshing, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
It's
done
certainly,
now.
and I think it's this is a nice surprise for everyone.
Yes.
You actually put the veggies and the fruit in ice water.
Iced water.
So it's
you
really
can
chilled.
put tomatoes, anything you like.
Yes.
But
And-
watermelon and mandarin, mikan, it's really
And this
nice.
is the somen.
Ready-made.
Yeah, just a store bought. It's quite okay.
Ready-made, somen tsuyu straight, so it's easier for busy mom. So
Okay, so you can have a bit there,
yes,
and I'll serve. Oh, it's quite light, isn't it?
yeah, can't wait.
Yeah. And Yoshiko's already gone to the effort of making the byoga and the
That's
shallots and the
Usual things.
yeah, the
three
usual
things,
suspects.
Three items.
Okay, so itadakimasu, or that's right, isn't
Yeah,
it?
we should say
Itadakimasu, and we'll just try a bit of this
Yeah.
first of all.
Nice and cold.
Oh yes, isn't it?
So
And this game
so
is
refreshing.
this game is terrific. They really have fun with it.
Yeah, I put yoga and shiso. It's very good. Negi.
So it's so refreshing, isn't it, to be able to eat this?
Yeah, I dig in here get any fruit?
I did. I've got mikan.
Yeah.
Mmm.
How's that?
Mmm. Ah, so refreshing.
Nice, isn't it?
My word. Let's take a bit of this. And as Yoshiko said in the beginning, it's a comfort food because it's, you know, when it's hot like this, you just don't feel like eating heavy food.
Heavy food, that's right. Maybe we should try a bean salad as well.
Excuse us eating like this, but it's so tasty.
Nice.
So I think the weather will cool down eventually
I
next
hope so.
month, but
I feel it's a very long summer this
Yeah.
year.
so
Everybody do take care of yourself.
absolutely. Let us know how hot it is in your end, part of the world, but
That's right.
August in Tokyo is to be avoided. Okay, so gochusou-sama.
ごちそうさま.
Okay, see you next week, everyone.
See you next week.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.